Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, while doing a science experiment in the physics lab, Sarah took 5 measurements of the temperature and wrote the average of those as an answer. If the measurements of the temperature are -4, -4, 2, -2 and -4, then what is the final answer of her experiment? Here, from given information, the 5 measurements of a temperature, 5 measurements of the temperature are -4, -4, 2, -2, -4. So the average will be -4 plus -4 plus 2 plus -2 plus -4 divided by number of measurements, that is 5. So -4 plus -4 means -8 plus 2 as it is, plus to add this -2 plus -4, firstly add the integers by ignoring the negative sign and add those integers like a usual addition. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and then attach a negative sign to that answer divided by 5. Now similarly here, to add this -8 and -6, firstly ignore the minus sign and add the integers like a usual addition. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Then attach a negative sign, plus 2 divided by 5. As here in the addition, the sign of two integers are different, so do the subtraction here. That is, -14 plus 2 means 14 minus 2, so it is 12. And then the sign of bigger integer is minus, so attach that sign to that answer. So it is -12 by 5. That is -2.4. Hence, final answer of her experiment will be final answer of her experiment will be -2.4. So our correct option is option C, which is -2.4.